In today's video, I will walk you through how to add free shipping over a certain amount on your Shopify store. Begin by going to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After opening the Settings menu, find and select Shipping and Delivery. This will take you to the section where you manage your store's shipping options and rates. Once you're inside the shipping and delivery area, locate General Shipping Rates. Click on this option to continue. After opening your shipping rates, look for the option labeled Add Rate. Click it to create a new shipping rate for customers who qualify for free shipping. When the rate settings appear, you'll be asked to enter a name for the shipping rate. Type a name that clearly identifies the offer. Enter the name you want customers to see during checkout. Next, locate the price field for the shipping rate. Set the price to free. After setting the price, move to the section where you can define when this rate becomes available. Look for the option called Add Conditional Pricing and click on it. Once the conditional pricing options appear, select Based on Order Price. This will allow you to create a minimum purchase requirement before free shipping becomes available. After selecting order price as the condition, enter the minimum order value required to qualify for free shipping. Type the amount you want customers to spend before the free shipping rate is applied. Enter the value that matches the threshold you want to use for your store. Review the shipping rate name, confirm that the price is set to free, and verify that the order price condition contains the correct minimum amount. Once everything looks correct, click Done to finish configuring the shipping rate. After clicking Done, return to the main shipping and delivery page. Take a final moment to review the changes you have made. Make sure the new shipping rate appears correctly and that the minimum order value is displayed as intended. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save to apply the changes to your store. Saving the settings ensures that the free shipping rate becomes active according to the conditions you created. To recap, open Settings, select Shipping and Delivery, access General Shipping Rates, click Add Rate, enter a rate name, set the price to free, choose Add Conditional Pricing, select Based on Order Price, enter your minimum order amount, click Done, and then click Save. That's all there is to it. Your Shopify store will now offer free shipping whenever an order reaches the amount you specified. Thank you for watching.